In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute monogrammed tumblers. They're super cute. These are new blanks I got in from blankscollection.com. These are their 16-ounce tumblers. I'm going to be using my Silhouette Cameo 4, as well as a cup cradle. That's new. It helps me so much when lining up the vinyl. I'm going to be using Oracal 651 permanent adhesive vinyl. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut my monogram. I'm using a fancy 2-letter monogram I have been loving. So it's first and last name. And I'm just going to go ahead and use these items. So we got our cup cradle, our cups, our vinyl, our monograms. I'm going to use some transfer tape from Amazon, as well as some squeegees I already had. I'll link them below, as well as we're going to prep the cups with rubbing alcohol. So there's that beautiful 2-letter monogram. I'll link that one below as well. I think that one's from Harrington Designs on Etsy. They have some beautiful fonts. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through. If you're not familiar with permanent adhesive vinyl, it's a little different. You have to use a transfer tape, and I got this one from Amazon. It's got grid lines. It had really great reviews, and I really enjoyed using it. So you squeegee it onto the transfer tape, your vinyl, and then I'm just gonna try to squeegee it as much as I can. There you go. I'm checking to make sure I got all of the pieces off, and then that's what you adhere to your cup. So here I'm using the cup cradle. I'm lining it up. These cups actually have like a little notch on the bottom, which was perfect for finding the front and the back. And so I just found my front. I'm going to line my monogram up, and those rulers on the side help me figure out how far to place it down, and so I can be consistent because I'm doing a front and back monogram. So I have to make sure it's not all wonky in the back. So I'm squeegeeing it on with this, it's like a felt squeegee that came with my cup cradle, and so I'm just going to do the back now. So I've got the notch lined up so I know it's the back. I'm going the exact width down from the top, and I'm just going to make sure, here I am measuring, make sure I had the right distance down, and then I already had pressed it on, so I'm just going to peel gently, making sure everything is adhered. It looks good, so now I'm going to peel the back off. I'm super excited about these cups. They are stunning. So I'm just going to finish them up. These were from my Monogram subscription box, and I just love how they turned out. So if you have any questions, I've linked everything I've used today in the description box below, as well as the cups, the Cameo, the vinyl, everything you need. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, and if you do want to become a member of my Monogram subscription box, the doors are now open, so make sure you check that out at monogrammombox.com. Until next time, bye for now.